put birdseed out there, and I don't know where the birds were. They're usually out there, but there was a few there trying to dig up some seeds. It was so cute watching that. Now he's left digging up seeds. There's a whole bunch of them, and I dipped some plastic spoons in peanut butter. And then seeds. But I seen a post where somebody smeared peanut butter on a tree. I can't get to my tree, but I will consider that in the spring. So I'm just enjoying this day. I made monster soup. I'm seeing birds flying by. And a fudge cake with I didn't finish frosting the cake, so I have to melt the fudge so I could drip it on top of the cake. A 2-layer fudge cake with fudge frosting. So I haven't done it yet. Gonna watch the storm chasers. I listen to these trucks go by, snow blowers. I heard somebody out here shoveling. I don't know what they think you're doing. But I miss you, Autumn.